Good morning, I am Soumya Singh. Today I am explaining CBSE 9th class math subject mathematics. It is presented by Intellify.in. You can see some examples, some questions for your paper point of view. It is very important. Let us move toward first question. Find the value of a and b when the angle when the when this is given. Under root 5 plus under root 3 divided by under root 5 minus under root 3 is equals to a plus b under root 15. We have given this, and this is given. Then for this question, any root comes in a denominator, we have to rationalize that question. So rationalization is very simple. Only you have to change in the left hand side, you have to change on and sign in a denominator and multiply whole left hand side again. This then your denominator is rationalized comes into a normal numbers. This is come in divided by 2. That you can see very easily. It comes 8 plus 2 root 15 divided by 2. After solving is equals to a plus b under root 15. We get 4 plus under root 15 is equals to a plus b under root 15. On comparing both sides, we normally wrote that a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 1. Let us move toward question number 2. Factorize a under root 6, a to the power 6 and b to the power 6. Then we have to solve these question. We have to break the power. You can easily solve this type of question after breaking these powers. So after breaking a to the power a cube whole square plus b cube whole square. So here we let a cube is equals to x and b cube is equals to y. So after this this comes the identity a square x square plus y square, x square plus y is square. So we can easily write this x plus y, x minus y. We easily write this equation x a cube plus b cube plus a cube minus b cube. And after using these two identities, x to the power 3 plus y to the power 3 is equals to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y, x square plus y square plus xy. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Therefore a cube square plus b cube square, we write this. After factorization we get a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab, a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. If you have a doubt in any question, you can put it on comment section. Let us move toward third question. If x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 0 are the zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square plus px plus b, then find the value of p and b. After putting the value of x, first you have to put the value of x. X is equals to 2 to the power 3 minus 5 2 to the power 2 plus 2b plus b is equals to 0. We get 16 minus 20 plus 2b plus b is equals to 0. Then we get 2p plus b is equals to 4. This is our first equation. Since x is equals to 0, after putting this x is equals to 0, we get b is equals to 0. Then after substituting b is equals to 0 in a equation first, then we get p is equals to 4 by 2. It means p is equals to 4. We have to solve p and b. Then b is equals to 0 and p is equals to 2. Let us move toward fourth question. Prove that the sum of an angle of a triangle is 180 degree. For solving any question, you have to first draw. I can explain you these points before in my previous lectures. You can see Then first we have to draw ABC is our triangle. To prove that ABC plus BAC plus ACB is equals to 180 degree, means this angle, this angle, this angle sum is equals to 180 degree. Construct. To the point A, draw line EF parallel to BC. We have to draw EF parallel to BC. Then alternate through the alternate opposite angles. This angle is equals to this angle and this angle is equals to this angle. Here I wrote that in the form of angles. Angle ABC equals to angle EAB. ABC is equals to EAB and BCA is equals to FAC. BCA is equals to FAC through the alternate angles. We know very well the sum of all linear angles are equals, means this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degree. Here I wrote this same things. EAB plus BAC plus FAC is equals to 180 degree. EAB and BAC and FAC is equals to 180 degree. After substituting above two equation, we get ABC plus BAC plus ACB, means this angle sum is equals to 180 degree. Hence proof the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Let us move towards the last question, but not least. Let us read what the question said. In the given figure, it means this question, in this figure, AC is equals to BC. AC is equals to BC, means C is the midpoint of that angle, that line. The second, angle DCA is equals to ECB. DCA is equals to ECB and DBC, it's mean DBC equals to EAC, means this angle is equals to this angle. Prove that DC is equals to EC. We have to prove this line equals to this line. Then we have a given. These all I wrote first what we have given in the question, then move toward our second step. Angle DCA is equals to angle ECB. DCA is equals to ECB. We have a given that this angle is equals to this angle. Adding the ECD on the both side. ECD, EC and D. Angle this equation. ECD. Then addition property. Then adding on the both side we get DCA plus ECD and ECB plus ECD. Addition property ECA equals to DCB. We write this, yes. Then AC is equals to BC, this is given, AC equals to BC, and angle DBC equals to EAC and DBC, this is given also. So by angle side angle, this angle is equal and this angle is also equal, this angle is equal and this side is equal. By angle side angle property, we write this. Then both the triangles are congruent triangle, we can easily write this DC is equals to EC. Hence proved. Thank you. This is presented by www.intellify.in. Thanks for watching. Thank you.